Hello. So I've been working on a mod for a few weeks now. It's called Minemancer, and it lets you generate Minecraft builds using your favorite AI model. So there's a bit to it. I'll kind of explain as I go along, uh, but let's just go into it. So the first thing you need to do is download the mod, and you can do /mm for Minemancer, and then you can have a conversation. So uh, the kind of quality of the build that you get as an output really depends on how well you actually type the prompt. Like, kind of like all AI things. So if you just say like, I don't know, like build a town and click enter, you're probably not going to get a very good result. I'm going to somewhat make it more detailed. So I'm going to say build a like fishing village. Um, Fishing village with multiple houses of various sizes, all connected with paths. Add a fountain. Um, Decorate the house interiors and exteriors. Add I don't know, gardens to the houses and whatnot. I could continue, but I'm just going to click enter. And you can see in the bottom there's kind of this loading indicator which shows that like the model is thinking. And there's also like up and down arrows, and basically when the up arrow flashes, it means like the mod is sending data to an AI model, and when the down arrow flashes, it's like responding. So basically they're having like a conversation, and you can see those arrows are flashing. If I click M, we've got like this conversation view where you can have all your conversations on the left. It's kind of just like Claude or ChatGPT, where you can just like add new conversations. So you can have multiple of these ongoing at once. So like I could start a new one called like, I don't know, demo 2, and then run over here and do like a wizard's tower or something. In fact, let's actually do that. So I'm going to do wizard tower. I'm going to select it, and I'm going to change my model to GPT 5.5. And I'm gonna say like right here, build a wizard's tower with a spiral staircase inside. Make it out of stone and have a purple pointy roof with a smaller side tower at the top. And you can see that one's going to go and generate now. So we've got 2 ongoing. Let's go back to this one. So it's going to take a while. It kind of depends on the model. So I've chosen chosen GPT 5.5 for each of these. But there's a few to choose from. Like if I go to test, you can see we've got a few. Obviously, if you use a more powerful model, it's going to get you a better result. It's going to cost more tokens, and it's going to take a lot longer than like something like Flashlight, which is going to be a lot faster and cheaper, but it's going to look a bit worse. That's obviously the trade-off. But yeah, enough of that. Let's just cut until something is actually being built. Okay, so we've got something built. Let's go over to see what it looks like. I mean, it's kind of looking good. Apart from the roofs look a bit funky, but let's just ignore that for a minute. And obviously, it's kind of going into the ground. But this kind of looks okay. It kind of likes to sprinkle dark oak into it, which is interesting. I don't know what this is either. Oh, and the wizard's tower is done as well. We'll have a look at that in a minute. But you know it's done good. It's got gardens. What did I ask for? Yeah, add gardens. Okay, so it's got gardens. It's got some nice detailing. We've got calcite apparently. You know, the common building palette of calcite and white terracotta. I would have liked it. Well, first of all, these are backwards, but I would have liked it if these were covered. So there are some improvements. You can just reply to it and say like, well, let's actually do that. So I've got it selected. I'm going to say, oh no, I don't. I've got the wrong one selected. I'm going to say update the house roofs. Is that a word? Roofs. To have triangle walls on their sides. As right now the roof is open. Does that make sense? I mean, I hope it understands me. It's gonna like go away and like try and figure out what the hell I did wrong. Oh, I should probably have said that these are backwards as well. Oh well. Let's actually check the interior. Did it decorate the interior pretty well? Did okay. That's pretty good. Nice. So yeah, this is like a much better result than I was getting like a few weeks ago when I first started doing this. So yeah, whilst that is doing round 2, I also don't know what these zigzags are. Let's look at the wizard tower, and this is okay. This is actually a lot better than the village was. Got some interesting details on the side here. Don't know what that is, and the windows are nice. Would be nice if we could actually go in here. Oh, you can. Okay, well, let's actually check that out. So I'm assuming this was supposed to be a door, but it didn't quite get that right. I probably could have prompted for that to be made better. And okay, so it's done. Let's give ourselves night vision. Night vision. I should probably give it infinite. Okay, so it did an okay job with the spiral staircase. Like some things, it's gonna be better if you just kind of manually fix these. Like I could prompt it and say, "Hey, you messed up your spiral tower. Please go fix it." But that's gonna be kind of expensive. Like the more prompts you give it, the more expensive it gets. It kind of grows quadratically if you kind of assume each prompt is the same complexity, which isn't great. So like for something like this, I would probably just fix it manually, or I'd start a new prompt to say like, "Hey, I'm stood next to a spiral staircase. Please fix it," and that should be better. Because like the way it works is it'll copy and paste the entire history of the chat into your new conversation, which can be quite expensive. But yeah, this is actually I'm quite impressed with this. Good job. Let's go back to the corrections it's made to the houses, and okay, it actually understood me. That is awesome. Let's break and enter. That's pretty good, and we've got chimneys now. Did I not see that the first time? Maybe. But yeah, so this is Minemancer. It's very much in development. Like we're in version like 0.2 right now. I need to do a bunch more work to make it cheaper, make it faster, make it build better things. Obviously add more models, see which ones work best. But yeah, so hopefully I will release this at some point once it's kind of had all those issues ironed out. But I just wanted to make this video to kind of showcase where it's at, if anyone's kind of interested in something like that. Obviously this isn't designed to like replace people who are like really good at building. I think this is more of like a maybe prototypey tool to like come up with a world and then kind of go in and fix it, change the bits that you want. But yeah, so tell me what you think, and thanks.